Today's topic is swapping the sublist over some specific range. We are going to do it by using a list slicing method. First, we are going to initialize our list. After that, we are going to use a list swapping as well as a slicing on the same time. First, we are going to slice the list and then we are swapping it with the again sliced list of it. So how does this thing work, right? List from 0 to the 4, it means that starting from 0th index till the 3rd index of the list, we are going to slice it and then we are going to replace it with the list from the 5th index to the 8th index of it. And then we are again swapping the list from 5th index to the 8th index to the list from 0 to the 3rd index, and then we are showing the desired output. As you can see, the 9, 17, 15 and 45 get swapped with 1, 3, 7 and a 12.